I built an AI system that handles my email, research, scheduling, and content in under 2 hours to set up. It saves me over 10 hours every single week. But here's the truth. Most people are using AI inefficiently. They treat it like a search engine. Ask a question, get an answer, then start over. That's like buying a supercar and only using it for grocery runs. You're missing its true power. Today, I'll show you how to move beyond one-off prompts and build an AI productivity system that works for you, automatically. A full step-by-step guide to automating your daily knowledge work with AI tools, no coding required. By the end, you'll have 3 automated workflows saving you at least 2 to 3 hours each per week. The biggest mistake people make with AI? Using it for isolated tasks. Drafting an email with ChatGPT, then closing the tab for something else. This wastes incredible potential. The real magic happens when you connect these powerful tools into persistent, interconnected workflows that run in the background, making decisions and executing tasks for you. Think of it like a digital assistant army, specializing in different tasks, working seamlessly. This isn't just about saving time, it's about freeing up your mental energy for truly high-leverage work. If you're tired of repetitive tasks, drowning in research, or battling your inbox, this system is for you. Before we dive into the workflows, let's set up our foundational tools. The best part? All free tiers are sufficient to start. First, ChatGPT. We'll use its custom instructions. To set these up, click your profile icon in the bottom left, then select Custom Instructions. I am a marketing manager for a B2B SaaS company. My tone is professional, concise, and action-oriented. Always prioritize clarity and directness. Always use bullet points where appropriate. Keep replies under 100 words unless specified. Never use emojis unless explicitly requested. This ensures consistent, high-quality output across all your interactions. Second, Perplexity.ai. This is our intelligent research assistant. Sign up for a free account. Get familiar with its interface. We'll use its Daily Digest feature later. Third, and this is the powerhouse, N8N, an open-source workflow automation tool. You can self-host it or use their generous cloud trial. Head over to n8n.io, create an account, and get ready to connect everything. It's like Zapier, but far more powerful and flexible for free, complex workflows. All right, let's build our first workflow, AI Email Triage. This will dramatically reduce the time you spend sifting through your inbox. Step 1. Connect Gmail to N8N. In N8N, create a new workflow. Search for the Gmail node and add it. Select New Email as the trigger. Authenticate with your Gmail account. Step 2. Send email body to ChatGPT API. Add an execute command node, or if N8N has a native ChatGPT node, use that. If using the API, you'll need your OpenAI API key. We'll send the email's plain text body to ChatGPT with a specific prompt. Here's the prompt to use. I've received an email. Your task is to classify its urgency on a scale of 1 to 3. 1 equals urgent, 2 equals important, 3 equals FYI. And then suggest a concise reply in 2 sentences. Output format, urgency, 1/2/3. Reply, suggested reply. Paste email body here from N8N's previous node data. Step 1. Set up Perplexity API call in NN. Create a new NN workflow triggered by a schedule node set to run every morning at 7 a.m. Add an HTTP request node to call the Perplexity API. You'll need a Perplexity API key. Check their developer documentation. You'll make 3 separate calls to Perplexity for your key topics. For example, what are the latest developments in AI ethics for large language models, recent breakthroughs in quantum computing applications, and new trends in sustainable energy production 2026. Step 2. Format and send to Notion/email. Perplexity will return rich information. Use an item lists node in NN to extract 5 main points and source links. Example, Perplexity query. Latest developments in AI ethics for large language models. Formatted output, after NN processing. EU AI Act nearing finalization, impacting data privacy and transparency. Link. Google research on mitigating bias in training data. Link. Debate open source versus closed source LLMs from ethical standpoint. Link. Calls for stronger regulatory oversight on AI deployment. Link. Focus on explainable AI, XAI, gaining traction for trust. Link. Notion to append this to a daily research page or a Gmail node to email it to yourself. Step 3. Extract action items with Claude. This is where it gets really good. After the Perplexity output is formatted, add another HTTP request node to call the Claude API, Anthropic. Prompt for Claude. Given the following daily research briefing, identify any immediate action items relevant to a marketing manager in a B2B SaaS company and list them concisely. Paste briefing from previous step. Claude, known for its strong reasoning, will then provide specific tasks like review EU AI Act implications with legal team, or prepare internal memo on Google's bias mitigation research. This turns passive information consumption into active, actionable insights. Finally, let's tackle content creation and repurposing, a huge time sink for many. This workflow will turn one piece of long-form content into multiple social media assets automatically. Step 1. Trigger and Claude transformation. Create a new NN workflow. This one can be triggered manually for now, or you could connect it to a new article published in your CMS. Add an HTTP request node to call the Claude API. Prompt for Claude. Take the following article and repurpose it into 5 distinct Twitter threads, each thread 3 to 5 tweets long, and 1 professional LinkedIn post. Article. Paste your long-form article content here. For scheduled posting, you can integrate with tools like Zapier or Buffer. If using Zapier, NN can send the output to a webhook that triggers a zap, which then schedules posts. Step 3. Audio versions with ElevenLabs. Here's an extra layer of repurposing. After Claude generates your content, send the text for your LinkedIn post or key Twitter threads to ElevenLabs via its API. Add an HTTP request node to send the text, and ElevenLabs will return an audio file. You can then attach this audio to your LinkedIn post or convert it to a short video clip for other platforms. One piece of content now becomes 8+ formats, dramatically expanding your reach with minimal effort. There you have it, a complete AI productivity system built in under 2 hours, ready to save you over 10 hours a week. We've moved beyond one-off prompts to persistent, intelligent workflows handling your email, research, and content. Implement just these 3, and you'll feel an immediate shift in your productivity and mental bandwidth. Stop working harder and start working smarter with AI. Subscribe to AI Tips for more practical AI tutorials. Next week, we're diving into how to build a personal AI tutor for any skill you want to master. Don't miss it!